Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create this OneDrive logo using Creo parametric. So let's get started. I think this is a kind of like very simple parts like we have done in previous videos, right? So I think this is kind of very simple, but we need to work out on some dimensions because we don't have any exact value for these heights or for this length value, so we need to find out those values and then we have to create this part. Okay, so let me just minimize. First of all, I need to select a working directory and I'm going to select this folder as my working directory. So then let's click on new, unclick the default template, and let's rename our part as one OneDrive. Oops, sorry, drive underscore logo. Okay, so the next thing is our unit as a template as MMN spot solid ABS. Okay, so let's start our sketch over here. So let me just start my sketch on my front plane. Okay, so the next thing is like we need to find out like where we have to start our sketch. Okay, so if we select our no, sorry, we select our sketch on the top face, you can see this dimension, entire dimension is got aligned with this center point. So first we need to create this bottom face first. Okay, so for this bottom face we have this height and we don't have any this distance here, we have here. Okay, and this one and this one. Okay, I think like we can create this big circle first and then we can create this left circle and right circle and this circle. Okay, good one. Okay, so first of all let me just create this circle first as a diameter of 40. Okay, so let's draw a circle. Okay, this will be 40 as a dia, and then the height value. So the height value will be 12.2 plus 14.5. Okay, 12.2 plus 14.5, then 3.3. So this will be the height value, and then this distance. Either we can add that or else we don't want that. Okay, let me just go on with this dimension itself. Okay, anyway, like this part. Anyway, this is going to be a floating part, right? Okay. So the next thing is I'm just going on with the left circle. So this will be the radius of the same 15.5 and with a distance of 19.9. Okay, and yep, 19.9, but here yep, I think this is fine, 19.9. Good. So let's place a point here. This will be 15.5 as a radius value, and the next thing is the distance, 19.9. Okay, dimensions from here till here, this will be 19.9. Okay, and then this circle radius will be 15.5, circle like this, and this will be 15.5, that should be multiplied by 2 for the diameter value. Okay, so we have completed the second circle. So then for the third, it should have a distance value of 25.8. So let's place a point here, dimensions from here till here, this will be 25.8. Okay, we found out this distance value, then we have to place this towards vertical, 12.2 plus 14.5. Okay, 12.2 plus 14.5. Okay, good one. Or else like let's go for the differentiate of the difference here. Like here you can able to see this distance is got 3D, right? So let's check. So, oops, sorry. This one and this one, this will be 3.3, and here I think this will be 3.3. Yeah, good. Okay, so then this circle diameter that will be 32.5. Okay, so let's draw a circle like this. This will be 32.5, 2.5, right? Yeah. Okay, so the next circle here is like we have to do this. So for this, height value is 12.2 and this will be 14.4 away from the center point. 14.4 and 12.2. Okay, so let me just place a point here. 12.2 dimensions from the new point to this point. This will be 14.4. 14.4. Okay, so then we can directly draw a circle with a diameter value of 26.6. So let's draw a circle 26.6. Okay, anyway, this will be like one step below from the center line. Here you can able to see this is out of the center line. Okay, so let's delete all these and let's create our profile here. Okay, so yep, let's draw a line from here and to this intersection. Good one. Okay, now let's delete all these inner segments. Okay, okay, this one, and this one, and I think a sketch has been completed. But here we have some corner issues. Okay, let me just delete this entire line and let's draw the line for the one more time here. Okay, so now we have completed this particular part over here, but we need to do this outer part. I think this is a kind of somewhat difficult part in this sketch. Okay, because like we have completed this part by using this concentric like you can either use construction mode for drawing the circles. First of all, like you can be able to create all these circles by the constructive mode, and then you can directly go for the center and an arc, and you can able to draw the arc based on your dimensions here. But here, like we need to do the offset for this to a value of 4, and then we have to find these 3 points, and we have to draw the circles based on that. Okay, and then we have to cut out for 4.5 here. Okay, good. I think this is a like interesting part here. Okay. So offset for 4. So let's go for the offset for this one. Chain. Oops. Okay, sorry, I forgot to select this chain first of all. This one, and accept as 4 and single. This one as 4. Close. So now I'm just going to delete the unwanted segments here. Yep. So this is going to be our outer profile. So then we can directly go for placing these points here, like only 3 points here left, right? So that uh, we can't directly paste this point because we need to find this dimension, and either like we can't go for this directly because we need to find out this point dimension. So the first point here is like we have to place it, okay, at the height of, okay, they have provided a value, height value here. Oops, sorry. And then for the distance, it should be from the center point of this circle. Okay, good. 24.3. Okay, so let's place a point here and dimensions from the circle center point and to this. This will be 24.3. Okay, so then the height value. Okay, the height value will be, okay, it has too many values. Okay, let's go. So I think this is the height value for this, right? Yep. So for this 4.5, 16.1, 16.1 plus 17.9 plus the next thing is 5. Okay, so we have placed this point here. So the next thing is like we can directly draw the circle with a radius of 25. So let's draw a circle and this will be 50 as diameter. Okay, good thing. Now we can able to delete all this because sometimes we may collapse with these lines. Okay, so for that I'm just going to delete the lines whichever I don't want previously. Okay, so the next point will be this one. So this point will be 29.8 away from the new point that we have created, somewhere like this. Dimensions from here till here, this will be 29.8, 29.8 I think so, yeah, 29.8. And height value, it should have a decreased height value. From that to the bottom it will be 5. Okay, so from here till here, this will be 5. Okay, so now we have to draw a circle by using this center point. Okay, to a value of 17, sorry, 19.75. Okay, good, 19.75. So let's draw a circle. 19.75, that should be multiplied by 2. 19.75, right? I think I've got that. Okay, 19.75, that we have drawn a circle here. So now either I don't want this extruded parts here. Okay, so I'm just going to delete all these. Okay, sorry, just have deleted this circle. Okay, so the next thing here is like either we can delete this also. We don't want that. Okay, so the final thing is like we need to draw one more circle here, but that should have a distance of 17.8. So let's place a point here. Dimensions from here till here, this will be 17.8 I think so. Okay, so the next thing is the height value. So that will be 17.9 from the previous point, or it's like from the ground you can enter a value of 16.1 plus 4.5, right? 16.1 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. Okay, so then we can directly draw a circle with the radius value of 16.1. So let's draw a circle. So this will be 16.1, that should be multiplied with 2. Okay, so let's delete the segment, all these segments which we don't want in our sketch. Okay, the next thing is like this one, but before that, yeah, you can able to see like we have to create the straight line feature here like 4.5 at the height of 4.5. So for that I'm just going to place a point like 2 points here. So this will be with the height value of 4.5, and I think this will be also same because we have used the straight constraint here, right? Let's select these two. Okay, 4.5, good. So now I'm just going to create constructive line from here till here. So then I'm just going on with my normal line tool like this, and then let's delete this point here. Okay, let's delete this also. Now let's delete this line and let's create from this end of this point. Okay, okay, I think that's all, guys. We have done this part perfectly as they have instructed. Like we have used every dimensions, and then we are like left with nothing, right? We have completed everything. So the next thing is we have to give this color like appearances. Okay, and then we can directly go for the comparison. So let's go for the extrude, and I just want to extrude this to a value of 5, and shading with edges. Okay, so then view appearances, and I'm just going to give this blue color for the entire part. Okay, so then I just want to edit this blue color because this is not the exact color that they have provided here. it should have some dark blue, right? So for that, I just have some code for this. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Okay, I think I got that. Okay, so this will be 17 or 17, and G will be 101, and B will be 2, 3, 5. Okay, either if we need this, we can increase this. We have to have this like this. Okay, I think this looks good, right? Okay, let's increase this closeness. Close. I think. Sorry, when we go for shading with reflection, it looks really dark now. So I think. Wait a minute, guys. Like, let me just reduce this blue color. Edit color and like this. Okay, I think this is fine. 255. Okay, that entire blue, full blue. Okay, close this and let's go for. Well, let's hide all these datum planes. So, yep, it looks really good. Like you can have this dark color because like you can see the light is where light will be shaded on the back side, right? So if you turn this part, you can see this looks like a light blue. But if we go back to this side, you can see this is like a dark black color. This is nothing but a shadow, right? Like the light will be reflected on the side, so on the other side we will have anyway, like we don't have any kind of light reflections here. Okay, so that's all, guys. So thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, so thank you, guys. Like we will see in next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.